fragrance enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. This is Glow Up with Dr. C. You're in the right place, right time. Today, I am going to be honoring three male influencers. If some of you are new to the community, this is a good way to learn a little bit about the fragrance community and who to follow on your journey to glowing up. I love to wear perfume when I go into the pharmacy, and one of my coworkers is a guy. He said, "Crystal, you always smell so good." He said, "Who can I follow to learn about how to smell good as a man?" These three creators are who I recommended to him. So if you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned. So let's dive into the world of scent. Three perfume powerhouses. The first one is Terence Hughes, known for those hands that he likes to use to describe the scent and the makeup and the build of the fragrance. Now, me as a pharmacist, I understand that a lot of ingredients work together to help certain products perform better in the body. Well, Terence Hughes is the same way, exact way. The way he breaks down fragrances helps you to learn about how the fragrance works on the skin, the amount of melanin in your skin, the darker your skin complexion. It does alter the way the fragrance projects from you. And the way that Terence Hughes broke it down in this clip, and the way that Terence Hughes broke it down in this clip,
it very high marks. Just because the concentration is sort of slightly less, I'm going to mark it an 8 out of 10 because I think it's phenomenal. But for me, I would love it a little bit stronger, and I think it would be, maybe an 8 or a 9. It's just sort of where it's sort of dying off a little bit. I think you're going to get maybe 4 to 5 hours wear out of this. The demographic is fantastic. The way they've done this, it could be born by sort of any age. I think it's very youthful, but it's also very thoughtful as well. This is very good on dark skin because of the vanillins, because of the patchouli, because of the musk. So this is excellent for darker skin types. So this is anchoring to my skin massively. So I know that for sort of people who have darker skin types or problems with things latching on, this is really good. But as I said,
broke it down in this clip, it just made me realize that this was the fragrance powerhouse person who can be trusted. He is giving you full, honest, truthful reviews, and he has the knowledge that you need to learn about the fragrance and how you're not just wasting your money, but you're actually able to learn which fragrance you like, why, and just get there faster in your fragrance journey. Now, this next guy is dedicated to helping you go outside of what you think is expensive versus high class. He's committed to helping you to find the perfect fragrance, no matter the affordability of price. He helps you to determine notes that are similar in different fragrances and help you to determine, if I love this fragrance that costs $1,000, I'm definitely going to love this fragrance that costs $10. So that's one thing that's really stands out about this guy, is helping you to realize that 9 times out of 10, a lot of these niche houses aren't giving you the quality that you think, and that is Warren Taffa.
Fragrances also work with Banana Republic. For example, Cristel La Prada, who's made 12 fragrances in the Mind Games line. She created Blockade. She also made Banana Republic Midnight Hour. You can't tell me that Blockade is not Banana Republic Midnight Hour. You can't tell me that French Defense is not Banana Republic Dark Cherry and Amber. You can't tell me Sissa Mind Games is not Milk Commodity. You can't tell me that Jadou Mind Games is not Juice and Commodity. You can find a lot of those Banana Republic fragrances at Marshall's, Burlington, Ross, $20, $30, $10. They've repackaged those fragrances and call them luxury.
Very charismatic, and the way he conveys fragrances to you, it makes you want to go and buy it. But I'm sticking it to the man. But he just makes sure that you're not left out when you're trying to find your signature scent. And that's one thing that I really respect about this content creator, and I always recommend his channel. He's always trying to encourage young people to, Take care of your hygiene, take care of your body, and just like my channel, let's glow up. Just glow up. Be better than your self before. The last dedication I'm sharing with you is a guy that I was turned on to at one of my events. And also, every time I go to a perfume event, a lot of the men always talk about Sebastian Jara, also known as the Perfume Guy. He's normally wearing a baseball cap, and the way he breaks down fragrances, you're really getting schooled. And I'll be honest and say it feels like I'm back in my college days and I'm sitting at the desk with my pencil out, my backpack on the back of my chair, and getting ready to take notes, because his vast knowledge of different scents. I never knew Asoe Super until he broke it down in one of his videos.
I love the way it smells. This is a note that I really love, and I love it in Molecule 1 and also in other fragrances. I mean, it's used a lot in perfumes when they want something that smells woody, slightly ambery and musky in a fragrance. It's used as a base note. So what does Asoe Super smell like then? So for me, Asoe Super smells like a very smooth and dry, woody synthetic note that is very cedar-like. And to me, it's a combo of mostly cedar-like smell with light sandalwood hints. I get the combo.
Like the video is dedicated to how Asoe Super enhances fragrances and what it does in fragrances, but he makes sure that you understand what you're getting in your fragrance. This is the only fragrance influencer I would dare to say that I would blind buy a fragrance, because the way he articulates the scents, each ingredient, you understand what you're purchasing. How normally we're able to connect with an influencer that we think has the same nose. The way he breaks down scents, I know what I'll be getting. I guess that's the best way to say it. So there you have it. Terence Hughes, King Taffa, or Warren Taffa, and Sebastian Jara. Which one is your favorite influencer? Or maybe you agree with this video and feel like all of these influencers have tremendously contributed to the fragrance community. Fashion, their uniqueness, the way they present, continue to inspire us and just guide us as we grow in this fragrance community. So with that being said, just a shout out. This is just a shout out video to you guys. You're amazing. You helped inspire me. You helped me to learn how to also articulate some of the fragrances that I have in my collection, and just be amazing. If you like this kind of content, hit like. Also, I'm on my way to 100 subscribers by April. Well, hopefully, I know we'll get there. It's inevitable. As always, keep growing, keep glowing. Be blessed. Peace.